Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas, where I show you 12 different holiday inspired graphic liners, all inspired by your zodiac sign. Here is today's graphic liner. Let me know in the comments below what your guess is on what zodiac sign this one is inspired by, and watch until the end so I can tell you which one it's inspired by, and we'll see if you're right. All right, let's jump into the tutorial. Let me show you how I got this.
I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you like this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this one came out pretty chef's kiss, if you ask me. It looks very clean, and it looks really good. It looks really good, and it matches these cute little earrings from Betsy Johnson. So I hope you guys liked it. This look is inspired by Capricorn. You know, I felt like Capricorns. I actually looked up which zodiac sign likes the holidays the least, and it is Capricorn. Which is interesting because I don't know if you know this, but Christmas actually falls on like the second or third day of Capricorn season. But all you Capricorns out there, bah humbug to you. And I think we have to say that because I'm over here buying gifts for all of my friends and family, and there are so many birthdays around Christmas. And I'm just like, I already bought you a Christmas gift. Now you need a birthday gift? Change your birthday, Capricorn. Change your birthday. I'm just kidding. But I figured this was more of like the festive spirit of what I feel like Capricorn would wear if they were gonna wear a graphic liner. Something straightforward, something very simple. But then I feel like there's some Capricorns that get a little creative, so we threw some glitter in there. But then I think we were feeling these earrings for Gemini because they say naughty and nice on them. But I think that our Capricorns during holiday season are the ones that we need to ask the question, are you naughty or are you nice? Let me know in the comments below if you got this graphic liner correct, if you guessed correctly. If you haven't seen your zodiac sign just yet in this series, don't worry, they're all coming. But leave your zodiac sign below, and if you resonate with your graphic liner that I've created thus far. That's all I have for today, and I will see you in the next 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of graphic liner inspired by your zodiac sign soon. See you in the next one.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.